just had a very brief introduction to the study of Adhyatma Ramayana, and we have seen that the first ever poem was Ramayana by Valmiki, and later came Adhyatma Ramayana and also many other Ramayanas written by a few others. Because Valmiki Ramayana, the first of its kind, the first Ramayana, contained more than 24,000 verses, and taking out the spiritual part of Ramayana, Vedavyasa has combined Adhyatma Ramayana, included in Brahmanda Purana, an integral part of Brahmanda Purana, because there are 18 Puranas, 18 main Puranas and 18 subsidiary Puranas. So out of the main Puranas, Brahmanda Purana that contains this Adhyatma Ramayana. Of course, there is some difference of opinion among the scholars regarding the authorship of Adhyatma Ramayana and also its date. Let's forget it for the time being, because we are concerned more with the contents than with the container and the statistical data, etc. So we will concentrate our attention on Adhyatma Ramayana and its contents. It's actually the main difference between Valmiki Ramayana and Adhyatma Ramayana is that the Adhyatma Ramayana is giving its thrust on the spiritual side, whereas the Valmiki Ramayana is not. Valmiki Ramayana depicts the main character Rama as an exalted, elite human being, but whereas in Adhyatma Ramayana, Rama is considered an incarnation, avatara of the Lord. It is also volume-wise almost 1/6 of Valmiki Ramayana alone constitutes Adhyatma Ramayana, because the former one is around 24,000 and the latter one is around 4,000 plus. And here Valmiki Ramayana gives more importance for descriptions of many places, that thing, this thing, etc. and does not give that much importance for hymns, stutis and advices, etc. Whereas Adhyatma Ramayana, the thrust is on these things, because it is highlighting the spiritual aspects of Ramayana. And also, Adhyatma Ramayana is the portrayal of a conversation between Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. And that too, as reported by Lord Brahma to Sage Narada, who is like his son and disciple. And it is this Adhyatma Ramayana that provided Tulasidasa with the inspiration to compose his immortal work, Ramacharita Manas, which is famous in all northern states of India. And this Adhyatma Ramayana demonstrates the inquisitiveness of Parvati and is in a form of dialogue between Parvati and her husband, Jagadguru Mahadeva. And they are always described as unambiguous expositions of Mahadeva, because he is deep-rooted in spiritual knowledge and is also a worshipper of Sri Rama, the Lord, absolute. So, Adhyatma Ramayana stands superior to Valmiki Ramayana in this respect. Don't think that we are underestimating Valmiki Ramayana. Definitely it has its own importance, but the traditional ceremonial way, this is considered as a mantra shastra. Adhyatma Ramayana, of course, is considered as a mantra shastra. So it is more for upasana than for reading and enjoying. Hari Om. We will see next.